How to make curly kale sambal by Bunty Raj. Ingredients: 150 grams of curly kale, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of moldy fish, 3 green chili, 1 teaspoon of lime or lemon added according to your taste, salt to taste. First, take some fresh curly kale and put it in a bowl. Next, wash the curly kale with some water. After washing the curly kale, drain the water out of the bowl. Chop the curly kale thinly using knife or food processor. Chop the green chili. Peel the onion, then slice the onion into small pieces. Add the coconut into onion chili in a bowl. Add the salt into the onion, chili and coconut and mix it well by hand. Add moldy fish into mixture and mix it again by hand. Mix the chopped curly kale into coconut mixture and mix thoroughly using hand. Squeeze the lemon or lime into the small sambal, mix it well. Curly kale sambal is very tasty with cooked rice. It tastes just like Sri Lankan Gutukala sambal. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.